Using expensive skincare, but your skin still feels dry or dull? You're not alone. Dry skin isn't always caused by bad products. Genetics, climate, daily routines, and lifestyle all play a bigger role than most people realize. Today, we're uncovering the surprising causes of dry skin and what you can actually do to fix it. Why skin gets dry. The basics. Our skin needs water and natural oils to stay soft, smooth, and healthy. When moisture escapes and oils decrease, the skin barrier weakens, leading to dryness, rough texture, flakiness, and irritation. Now, let's break down the real reasons behind it. Genetics. Dry skin starts at birth. One of the most powerful and often overlooked causes of dry skin is genetics. Let's start with skin types. Many people are simply born with dry skin. It's not a mistake, it's a genetic blueprint. Interestingly, darker skin tones tend to have lower ceramide and water content, which makes them more prone to dryness compared to light or medium skin tones. So if your skin feels tight or rough naturally, it might just be your skin type speaking. Some genetic conditions exacerbate dryness, making it even more noticeable. People with conditions like eczema, ichthyosis, keratosis pilaris, rosacea, or psoriasis often struggle with dry, rough, or flaky skin. Now, here's where science gets interesting. Researchers have found that mutations in the FLG gene play a major role in dry skin. This gene controls the production of filaggrin, a protein that helps maintain a strong skin barrier. When filaggrin levels are low, the skin loses moisture faster and becomes vulnerable to allergens and irritation. That's why people with FLG mutations often experience skin dryness and have a higher risk of developing eczema. Environmental factors. Your surroundings play a huge role in how your skin looks and feels. And most of the time, we don't even realize they're doing damage. Let's break them down one by one. Winter weather. Dry skin in winter is extremely common. As temperatures and humidity drop, your skin loses moisture faster through evaporation. This condition is often called winter skin or winter itch. The result? Skin that feels tight, looks dull, and becomes chapped due to dehydration. Low humidity. Low humidity is another silent culprit. If you live in a naturally low humidity area, your skin barrier struggles even more, leading to rough, flaky skin. Air conditioners and heaters pull moisture out of the air and, unfortunately, out of your skin too. Sun exposure. Collagen and elastin are what keep your skin smooth, firm, and elastic, but excessive sun exposure breaks them down. Over time, this damage causes the skin to lose resilience and develop a rough, leathery texture. Air pollution. Air pollution has a serious impact on skin health. Smoke, dust, smog, and vehicle exhaust expose the skin to harmful particles every day. Dermatologists link pollution to premature aging, wrinkles, allergic reactions, rashes, and reduced skin elasticity. And the problem is, we often underestimate how damaging environmental exposure really is. And yes, even hard water can be a problem. Hard water contains high levels of minerals like calcium and magnesium. These minerals leave a thin film on the skin that blocks moisture. They also react with natural oils, forming a thick residue that clogs pores, worsens dryness, and prevents moisturizers from absorbing properly. Aging and hormonal. As we age, our skin naturally produces less oil. Sebaceous glands shrink, skin becomes thinner, and moisture loss increases. For women, perimenopause and menopause bring hormonal shifts that significantly reduce skin smoothness and hydration. Lifestyle habits. Your daily choices show up on your skin. Let's explore lifestyle behaviors that quietly damage skin texture. Unhealthy diet. An unhealthy diet isn't just fast food and sweets. It also includes unplanned or extreme diets followed without medical advice. Too much fatty, sugary, overly spicy food, alcohol, or caffeine can reduce skin elasticity, making the skin look dull, rough, and flaky. Lack of nutrition. There's a saying, skin is a reflection of overall health. Nutritious food fuels the body and strengthens the skin's defense system. When nutrients are missing, the effect appears on the outside, often as dry, rough, and flaky skin. Smoking and alcohol. Smoking depletes vitamin C, which helps repair and protect skin. It also reduces blood flow, leaving the skin dry, uneven, and aged. Alcohol makes things worse by blocking the absorption of essential vitamins, especially vitamin B6, which helps maintain skin moisture. Excessive drinking leads to dehydration, itchiness, and premature aging. Lack of sleep. Poor sleep affects more than energy levels. Researchers found that lack of sleep increases transepidermal water loss, meaning the skin loses hydration faster. Poor sleepers have weaker skin barriers, making their skin more vulnerable to dryness and damage. Too much caffeine or tea. Caffeine and tea are diuretics, meaning they pull water out of the body. Too much of them can dry skin from the inside. They also increase stress hormones like cortisol, which can trigger acne, excess oil production, and premature aging. Not drinking enough water. Water is essential for plump, elastic skin. Without enough water, skin becomes dehydrated, leading to dryness, fine lines, wrinkles, and sagging. Stress. Daily stress doesn't stay in the mind, it shows up on the skin. Stress can worsen conditions like eczema and rosacea and disrupt the skin barrier, making dryness and irritation more severe. Overexposure to water. Spending too much time in the shower, especially with hot water, can strip away the skin's natural protective oils. This weakens the skin barrier and leaves skin rough, dry, and irritated. Lastly, experimenting with too many skincare products can do more harm than good. Harsh ingredients, over-exfoliation, and frequent product changes can damage the skin barrier, causing dryness, sensitivity, and rough texture. How to prevent and reduce dry skin. Dry, rough skin doesn't fix itself overnight, but the good news is, most of it is preventable. Let's talk about simple, realistic habits that actually protect your skin barrier. Know your skin first. The first and most important step is knowing your skin type. Is it dry, oily, combination, or sensitive? Using the wrong products for your skin type can worsen dryness instead of fixing it. Aware of skin conditions. If you have existing skin conditions like eczema or you're genetically prone to dryness, consulting a dermatologist can make a huge difference. Gentle cleansing. Choose a fragrance-free, pH-balanced cleanser. Gentle cleansing protects moisture, not removes it. Moisturizing. Never skip your moisturizer. Look for ingredients like ceramides, hyaluronic acid, and glycerin. They help restore the skin barrier and lock in hydration. Apply moisturizer consistently, especially after cleansing. Daily sun protection. Wear sunscreen every day. Sun protection is skincare, not just summer care. Exfoliating. Exfoliating too often damages the skin barrier. Limit exfoliation to 1 or 2 times a week and choose gentle exfoliants. Healthy diet. Healthy skin starts with nutrition. Eat a balanced diet rich in vitamins A, C, and E, omega-3 fatty acids, and zinc. These nutrients help repair skin, reduce inflammation, and improve texture. Hydration matters. Drink enough water throughout the day. Aim for 6 to 8 glasses daily to support skin hydration and elasticity. Limit caffeine. Too much caffeine can dehydrate the skin and make it look tired. Reducing intake helps maintain moisture and improve overall skin tone. Avoid smoking and alcohol. Avoiding smoking and alcohol helps preserve elasticity, smoothness, and a healthy glow. Prioritize sleep. Your skin repairs itself while you sleep. Quality sleep supports barrier recovery, hydration balance, and overall skin health. Shower smart. Use lukewarm water, not hot water, when bathing. Keep showers short and gentle. Be careful with products. Avoid trying too many new or trending products at once. Patch test products. Always patch test new products to prevent allergic reactions or damage to the skin barrier. Consistency, skincare routine. Focus on consistency and quality rather than quantity in your skincare routine. Dry skin isn't just a surface problem. It's a combination of genetics, environment, lifestyle, and skincare habits. While you can't change your genes or age, you can protect, hydrate, and balance your skin every day. Healthy skin isn't about perfection. It's about consistency, protection, and care.